There are a number of problems to watch for and correct in beginning cellists. Providing students with a correct model is essential, as is modeling going from incorrect to correct. The collapsed wrist is a common problem. The collapsed wrist is often caused by the thumb being out of position. If students are persistently playing with a collapsed wrist, place a small piece of Velcro on the back of the neck as a tactile reminder for correct thumb placement. Frequently ask beginners to reach their arms out and form the C-shaped hand. A hyperextended wrist is less common but can occur if a student is trying to play on the very tips of their fingers. Remind students of the elbow-wrist-pinky line, the C-shaped hand, and to play on the pads of the fingers with all finger joints relaxed and curved. If the student has an incorrect thumb placement, it can cause problems with placement of the fingers. The so-called hitchhiker's thumb is fairly common. Students' thumbs come in many different lengths, so there is no one correct placement, but the thumb needs to be placed in a way that allows the wrist to be straight and the fingers to be curved and over the fingerboard and the hand to be balanced. If students get fatigued, they may develop a collapsed elbow, where the arm rests against the torso or the top of the instrument. The sagging elbow will lead to other problems like an overly bent wrist, sloped fingers, incorrect thumb position, and perhaps a raised shoulder. Have students play the wing flapping game and give them plenty of opportunities to rest their left arms. When cellists are not playing, they can rest their left arm on their left leg. Sloping fingers are usually caused by the forearm being rotated so the palm is faced towards the ground. The palm should face towards the student's chest so that the fingers can be perpendicular to the neck of the instrument. Students with a lot of tension may play with a raised shoulder. Walk behind students and tap them on the shoulder to remind them to relax. Hugging the cello and playing the wing flapping game can help students learn to relax their shoulder.